Hi there, this is Joanna, and in this video, I am going to share with you how I built a 7-figure marketing campaign in Clickfunnels. If you watched the previous video, I showed you how I funnel hacked and funnel mapped this 7-figure marketing campaign, and this is the funnel blueprint or funnel map that I came up with. Now, the goal in this video is to build the 4-step sales funnel in ClickFunnels. So it's going to be a high-level demo on how to build the Billie Jean marketing campaign in ClickFunnels. It's not going to be a walkthrough of the entire sales funnel building because ClickFunnels is not that hard or complicated to understand. In fact, it has a simple drag and drop web page editor that makes it easy and fast to build a funnel. So I'm going to exit my camera, guys, because I'm getting distracted. Okay, moving on. These are the pages of the 4-step sales funnel. We have the order page or sales page, and of course it's consists of the order page, step 1 order form, step 2 order form. These two steps are pop up, and of course the order bump, which is also part of the pop up. And the second page is the upsell, third is the downsell, and fourth is the thank you page. Again, this is the Billie Jean's funnel blueprint, and you're looking at its simplified version, which is going to be broken down into 4 steps. We have step 1, which is the order step, and it is named Legacy Bundle. Step 2 is the auto page step, one-time offer page, which is named Upsell. Step 3 is the auto downsell page, which is named Downsell. Step 4 is the order confirmation step, which is named the same, Order Confirmation. Now, these are the tools I use for funnel building, and these are extensions I added to my Chrome browser. We have here Font Finder, which is an easy-to-use font inspector to get CSS styles of the selected element. And we also have your Color Pick Eyedropper, which is a zoomed eyedropper and color chooser tool that allows you to select color value. So I guess we're set. We're ready to dive into funnel building. Now, guys, let's go to my dashboard, my ClickFunnels dashboard. Actually, this is a free trial account. But before I start funnel building, let me just show you a screenshot of the pages that I was mentioning in my previous slides. So this is the order page, and the URL or live URL is this. This is my finished page. Just to give you an idea. And then we have here the pop-up step 1 form. This is the step 2 pop-up form with the order bump. Now this is the upsell page. All right. This is the upsell. And if you want to see the live URL, it will be this. All right. Then this is the downsell screenshot, which is this one, the actual page. And then we have also here the thank you page. And this is the live URL. my finished page, right? Okay, so I guess we're ready. This is actually on Edge browser, but yeah, I think I'm going to start from here. I'm going to do the funnel building on Edge browser. So in this dashboard, we have here the navigation bar and we have your ClickFunnels, follow-up funnels, backpack help. We're just going to click on, actually you can click on build a funnel, these quick links, but I want to go here, ClickFunnels and then build funnel. Then we have to choose from these goals, collect email, sell your product or host webinar, but I'm not going to choose any of these. So because I want to start from scratch, let's just click here, create a custom funnel. And I'm going to name it Billy Legacy Bundle Campaign, right? I use training in as group tag. I use training already. So for this demo, I'm just going to use demo. Then click on build funnel. Okay. So if you will look at the left side, we have here the name of the funnel, Billie Jean Legacy Bundle, and then we have here the funnel steps. The default here is opt-in because I think it's the first funnel type here is opt-in. Actually, there's opt-in sales funnel, sales funnel, webinar funnel, membership funnel, ClickPop, and MISC, which I think stands for miscellaneous. But we're going to make a what we're going to build is a sales funnel. So we're going to click here and choose order form. So we're gonna see here templates. We can choose actually any template. Let's choose this. So now the name of the step has changed to order. And because I don't want to now guys, I forgot something. We have to set the settings first. We have to update the settings first. I have here a cheat sheet. Let me see what I prepared. So yeah, the group tag is so we can actually edit the settings for this funnel. Domain, we don't have a domain. So the group tag is demo. Let me change the Billie Jean Legacy bundle to campaign demo. I'm not sure it's going to be saved. Demo, campaign demo. I just want to put it there as the path. And I want to update the favicon. It's the favicon here. And then we have to scroll down, save and update settings. You can always come back here, guys, and edit if you want to. And for this step, I'd like to um, update the funnel step settings. This gear icon is actually the same as when we click here, publishing. So we'd like to name this funnel step legacy bundle. See, it's already in the drop down. Actually a drop down, guys. I don't know what it's called, but maybe because it's been used, that's why it's available. This path, I want to call it legacy bundle demo. Demo. Let's see if it's going to demo BGIM. Billie Jean is marketing. Demo BGIM. And then we click on update funnel step. Then at this point, we can already add the next funnel, legacy bundle. Remember, it's going to be named upsell. Upsell. And the path is legacy bundle. I use legacy bundle upsell and demo BGIM. BGIM. Let's see if it's okay. Upsell demo BGIM. Submitting. Now it still has a warning sign because we have not chosen a template. So let's add the downsell step, and I'm going to use legacy bundle downsell. Downsell demo BGIM. Just want it to be so complicated. Downsell demo BGIM. And then we add the order confirmation. Order confirmation. The upsell will be legacy bundle confirmation. Confirmation demo BGIM. All right. Now, I'd like also to check here and the path. Yeah, it accepted this path. So I want also to use this here in split test settings. They have to be the same. The path has to be demo PGIM, and the name is, I think I named it legacy bundle. Legacy bundle. Update. Alright, I think we can choose a template. So we hover our mouse here and choose one click upsell. Alright. So again, we can choose any template here because anyway, we're going to delete everything and start from scratch. So there guys, it has turned to auto page. And let me just get the path here that I used. So this is the path, upsell demo. And then we're going to use it also in funnel steps. We used split test settings. So there, the name is already upsell. Let's see if it's going to receive this, accept this path, because if the path is not unique, guys, Clickfunnels system will just automatically add any random character or digits or numbers. So let's check. Oh, I don't know. It has added why it has added this random number. Maybe this is not unique path anymore. But let's just update it. And then for downsell, we hover our mouse again on sales and then click downsell. And we can select any. Let's get the path here. So it's named downsell. Edit split test settings. You want this. I don't know if this is unique. Downsell demo PGIM. Let's check if it's, oh, I'm not sure. Maybe it's because this is a weird name. I don't know. And then confirmation. Let's also choose a template. Sales, order confirmation. So I can select this template. Now the warning sign is going to choose to order confirmation. So let's start first in editing the legacy bundle, which is the order page. I'm gonna right click here because I don't want to lose this page. I'm gonna open the link in new tab to go to my web page editor. So now I'm in the web page editor. What I'm gonna do, guys, because I want to start from scratch, is to delete the sections, rows, and elements inside. So the sections, or a section, is represented by this green or teal color here that has settings, clone, save, and delete icon. So we want to delete this section. Click OK. And then find all the green ones. Those are the sections. We're going to delete, delete. Okay. And as you can see, it has a background. So we also have to delete the background. And so we go here in settings and click background and just delete this thing here inside the BG image. BG is background image. Control A and then delete. And then it's gone. There. Now we're ready to add a section. So in web page editor, the first thing that we can is the add new section, is section which we can have a full width, wide, medium, or small. So we're just going to choose full width because we can always edit it anyway. And then the next one that we can add is the section, or I'm sorry, it's the row, which is represented by a blue color. We can choose 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, 4, 5 columns, 6 columns, left sidebar, and then a right sidebar. A left sidebar is a 3 column with the first column a small one. That's why it's called the left sidebar. And then the right sidebar is also a 3 column row with the rightmost, or the third column, the smallest, or the smaller of the two. I think we're going to use this in upsell page. Yeah. Okay. So now that we've added, we can added the row. We can now add an element. No, we haven't chosen a column yet. So we're just going to go with 1 column. Now we're ready for the add new element. Since we are building a, that's my cheat sheet, guys. The order page. The first section is actually this one. Blue background with Billie Jean's, I think this is the logo, or this is an image. So how are we gonna get, if this is the live URL of Billie Jean, all we need to do is right click on the image and save the image. It's a WebP file, guys. I don't know why. So let's go to a live URL. This is actually getallmycourses.com of Billie Jean. So if you want to get this image, you're going to right click. You can either open image in new tab, or you can just save image as directly. And then you have it, guys. It's now in PNG image, so you can save it to your computer. Right? It's already saved here. So I'm not gonna save it anymore. It's just for demo. And then same with this. If you want to get this image, you're just going to, you can open it in a new tab actually, and then right click, save image as, and there, bundle legacy. It's also in PNG type. So that's how you get it. So let's go back to the page that I have finished. So this image is already in my computer and I've already uploaded it. So you're gonna see it when I go to my web page editor. So how are we gonna know what exact color this background is? That's where the color pick eyedropper comes in. You get this color pick eyedropper. We're gonna click on it and then hover our mouse on this area and then it's going to render this color, right? And when how are we gonna get the text? This one. So we're just going to copy, paste, Control C, and then copy it in your web page editor. Same with this. You can just copy and then paste it in your web page editor. And now if you want to know the font size, all you're going to do is click on this font finder. Oh, wait. And then hover your mouse and then click on right, the text. So it's going to tell you the font being rendered is Oswald and the font size is 56. Same with this. Let's click font finder and, and click. Now it's going to show you the font that was used, which is Oswald, and its font size is 42. And it gives you also the color of the text, which is 006 C6FE. So that's how we go about it, guys. Okay, so let's go back to my Edge browser where my web page editor is opened. Okay, so now we're going to add the element, which is the image of Billie Jean. So we're just going to type image here and the element will be here. Just click on it and it will be here. Now, if you want, like what I've said a while ago, we want to edit the settings of the background. You just go here and then go to the BG color because that is background. And then choose, what did it say? Let's go back to, okay, so this is the color. Control C, we go to Edge and then paint. Let's click again and then we paste it here. So that's how it goes. And then I want to save it because I don't want to use this when I lose this when suddenly the bug acts up. Now we can add the image. Let's click on the demo image. Then we click here to get the image. So there, this one, the first one here. Okay, and it's uploaded. Now we want to edit also the top margin. Yeah, it should be 0. I want the top also to be 0, the bottom to be 0. And I want to do this also for the section. Top margin should be 0, 0. You can also, yeah, adjust the left. Now, how are we going to edit this image because it's too big, right? So we go to this orange section, orange area. So we click on the settings, and we put here 200. It's still big. I think I used 70. So that's it. It's now similar to this one, right? So that's how you edit the sections, rows, and elements. Now, the next that we're going to add is another section, right? You drag. Just try again, guys. Sometimes it's not working the first time. So we want to add a new row. Choose one column, and then the first one to be added is again headline. Headline. And like what I've said, we can just Control C and then paste it here. And there's again another image. You can actually scroll down to look for the headline. No, I'm just going to choose sub-headline because it's smaller. And then we can actually clone it for the next line. Actually, guys, there's also a divider here. So below this, we can add divider. We can look for divider. This one. There. So if you're going back here, a while ago, we checked with Font Finder, and oh, we forgot. Let's click. The color is FFF, just to make sure. Cannot just guess it's white. So we copy, and the font rendered is Oswald. Font size is 56. So we go back to Edge, and then we adjust the text color. I think that's in bold. So we adjust it here. Okay, and font size is 56. You can drag or just type in here. The font family is Oswald. We choose Oswald. Okay. So it's not showing, guys, because the section background is should be black. It's still white. So also here we cannot guess that this is white. Okay, so yeah. We copy, control copy, and then we go here in the editor and we go to BG color. Click on the BG color, and then there. We now have it. And then I save it again. And then for this, we can adjust. Let's say put it at 5 or 0. And we also adjust the color. So let's check. I think this is white. We used white. Yeah. So let's adjust. We can put it at 90%. And the color should be white. Oh, color should be FFF. Right. And then we do the same here. Copy paste. Again, we check the font. So this is the color. Font is Oswald and font size is 42. 42 Oswald, and the color is that one. We can also adjust here in advanced. We can make the line okay. Can make this center. So that's how you adjust. You can adjust anywhere here. Letter spacing, no shadow. All right. And then we can also go back to the URL and then copy. Go back to the font finder. Okay. It's FFF. Font being rendered is Oswald and the font size is 38. Being rendered is Oswald. Font size is 38. All right. You can also adjust the size. There. Then we save again. We can adjust the top margin. Also this one. That's how you adjust it. We can adjust the settings. Make it 15. And that's it. You can also check the test color. Should be white. Yeah. Then the next section here is this white one. No, I mean this. Let's check the color of this background. So it's F3, F3, F4. Let's add another section. Let's drag it. The background color is right. It's not totally white. So we have here another column and then an element, which the first one is a headline. All right. This one. Let's say it's Oswald. And for example, it's that one. And this countdown here, we have to add it also. So let's scroll down and look for the countdown. Minute timer. Yeah. Can have it. Minute timer. And then let's go to the settings and look for a theme. So you can choose any here, but what we're looking for is this one. All right. And you can also adjust the hours. Okay, the font family can be Oswald. Yeah. You can go to advanced and change it to white, no, black. And if it's not bold, if you want it normal, and if you want it small or large, I think they used small or medium, and it's centered. And you can also adjust the color. Yeah. And the next here is this button. Let's add another element for the button. Scroll down to look for the button. This button. Now, you can't copy paste this, guys. You have to type it. So I have here a cheat sheet. For the order page, for the button, yeah, for the button. Go to web page editor. We can click on the settings and change the sign up. The button text should be click here to get instant access to Billy's Legacy Bundle. And the subtext is, let's go to my notepad. This one. Right? That's it. So again, we go to the live URL to check the color font. So the color font is this, Control C, and then the background color of the button is no. Okay. And then we have to save it because I don't want to lose this when it bugs out. Okay, so now we're going to use again the font finder to check. Okay, so it's Oswald and 34. This color. Oswald also and 20px. So let's go to web page editor. It's Oswald and 34, 20. Is it 24? Save. And then you see here 34. It's 34 and 20. And then you see here that there is this double arrow. So let's also put arrow here. Let's go to advanced and look for the icon. Icon picker should be this one. So now you have it here. And then you can also edit in advanced. I think what was used was mid shadow. If you want to use mid shadow, soft shadow, or inner border, you can choose any or light. The button effect, you can use wobble or bounce or elevate. But I think they used here, if I remember correctly, it's pulse glow loop. Okay. And then we save. The next one here is another image. So you can just type here image. And then get this. Double click. And it's here. Okay. And then the next here is another section. Add element. Let's say headline. And then just highlight and then copy. For that, I'd like to change the background color that this was used. And it's Oswald and the font size is 40. The text color that was used is FFF. So this one is, you can Control B because it's not bold. Only this one is bold. And the bold color is colored black. Then we adjust if you want it that way. But I think it has margin. All right. Then the next here is this black section. Let's add another section. Or we can add it here. We click this plus button. And there you have it. The first here is this is a 2-column row. So we're gonna add here 2-column row. And at this point, I just want to change already the background color to black. All right. So now we have here a new element, which is going to be image. And we have here 1, 2, and 3 elements. Okay, I just add a headline or subheadline, it doesn't matter. Subheadline, and I want the third to be paragraph. Here we have here a paragraph for the text. And then I'm going to highlight and copy. And this, copy. Hope you're following, guys. Sorry, I'm not saying anything. I'm quiet. So if you want to check the color and the size, this is 30px and Open Sans. The font being rendered is Open Sans. And it's 30. For this next one, it's 26. Okay. It's 26. Open Sans. Alright. And the color is this. Okay. I think this is white. Of course, after checking, guys, that's when you use adjust it. Open Sans. Um, right. This is not bold. I think it's 30. Alright. Align to the right. Left. Sorry. Align to the left. Even this one, you need to align to the left. So let's use, I think it's not Open Sans. So it's 20px Oswald. 20px Oswald. Alright. And the color is white. Alright. So now we can adjust it. For example, we want it at 10. Okay. Now we're ready to upload the image, which is this one. For example, you want to edit it that way. There. So you have the two columns already. And this one, it has to be, text color should be the same. Alright. Now, in the live URL, we have here two columns. So we can just clone this one and then just edit this. Now I'm not going to edit this anymore, guys. I just want to show you how it's done. And then we have here this row. You add another row. That's a one column. And And then we need here a headline. And then if you see that's a bullet list. Okay. So you can just copy. It's Oswald at 18px font size. Sorry. Oswald. And this is the color. And you want it at left alignment. Then you can copy paste. I'm not sure if you can do this. Sometimes we can use the subheadline. Then you fix it, guys. Text color should be white. And check if that's Oswald. And then you just so you can just explore on how you're going to um, add the icon picker, the icon list. You can make it ordered list or icon list. So you can go to advanced and choose the icon picker. I mean, so that's I think double again. Now, what is the color? It should be black. Adjust the background here to black. No, this black. All right. No, it's not black. It's white actually. The background color is white. All right. And the text color is black. That's the icon. Text color is Raka. Okay, so there you have it. Then you can also adjust the corners. want the corner radius to be 5 or 10. Okay. That's it. So just check, guys, how you're going to align it at left. I think it's acting up. I think I copied it one by one. So we can go to the next. So the thing here is, for the next we have another 2 rows. No, there's also a divider here. So we can add a divider here. One column. Divider. So there's the divider. And then we need another 2 column rows. So what we're gonna do is just clone this, and then we're going to click this down arrow and then clone it again. Change this image to this YouTube masterclass, and then change this image here. Sell like a genius. And then there's again this button here. So what I did was clone this. When this is already set, I clone it and then move it down to where it should be. I think I'm gonna need another row. For the button. That's where I'll drop. For the button, there's not, or for elements, there is no down or up arrow. So you have to move it like this. Where is it? So it got stuck here. You have to try and try, guys. There. Now we're going to change the color because the color here is that one. Blue. We change it. Alright. So we save. And then there are three columns, three rows again here. So what we're gonna do, we're going to clone again this. And then that's how you do it. Change the image to this. And then just clone it. Clone it into three. Yeah. Clone it into three. One, two. And then after that, there's again a button. So we have to clone this. And then there, after the button, we have here another three. Three rows with two columns. So we clone it. One. Okay, so and then change. And then we have here another button. Clone. That's how you build it fast. You clone. Okay. And then we have here another section with text, headline. And then another row with two columns for the video. And I think here there's a design. So we're going to choose a theme. I think they made use of a white border. So that's it. And then just clone it. Clone it. Then move it to here. Clone. And move it to here. And then below each is we have a text. Let's just say it's subheadline or paragraph. You can actually Casey. And I think that's Oswald. Oswald. Let's just say it's a 22 or 20. And it's white. Text color is this. For example, of course you can't see it because the border or the background has to be black. There. and then clone it. Let's see. Yeah. Clone. Move it below the video element. Just be patient. Clone. And then move it here. There. And then change the text. But let's not forget to save because I don't want to lose my work. And then we have here. Then how about the video links? So it's provided. I have here the custom embed. The video type is custom embed. So let's go to my editor. Let's edit the settings. Okay, so this is custom embed. You can actually choose YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, EC Video Suite, HTML5 video. But for this one, what's provided is custom embed. So let's just save it. Save. And for example, this is the custom embed. Okay. You want to save it. That's how you do it, guys. Now here, it's the same section. So we just need to another one column with text. So we go for headline. And then copy paste this. I'm not gonna edit it anymore, guys. You know how to do it. Let's just say because we want to add another element, which is the, is this, no, we need another row with two columns. And then we're going to upload image. The image is this one and this one. Image, this one. Okay. So for the settings, I think we can go to advanced and choose or themes. I think they used a theme because it looks like they used this one. Or slight Yeah, similar. No, we can choose here what was used as theme. I think they use this one because it has a thin border with a bit of shadow. So let's change it. For the theme, border with shadow. Is it this? Yeah. So this one, save. And then again, there's a button. So we clone again. And then click down arrow. There. And the last one is the footer. I think a new section is added here for the footer. Yeah. And then one column, add element. Let's say sub. Doesn't really matter. And then we copy this. Control V. Oswald 14px. Okay. Oswald. At 14px. And then let's not forget the policy. I don't know where I placed the policy. This is the live URL of Billie Jean, but the updated one. So we're going to go to the policy. We want to get the policy here, the link, I mean. So we go here and put the link. Control V. So you can also change the color if you want it white or whatever, or black. So now you can save it. So that's how you do it, guys. Now we want this to be mobile optimized. So how do we go about it? Well, we gotta click on this mobile icon here. See, it's too big. The text are too big. So what we do is we go again to the live URL, not this one. We go again to the live URL, and then we have to right click to see the right click and choose inspect. Then we click on this, toggle device to toolbar, and now we see Galaxy S5 here as the uh, mobile model used. So again, we use the font finder to check what this text is. Font size is, well, of course, it's still Oswald, but the font size is now 24. In desktop, it is 56, but in mobile, it's 24. So let's go here and edit the settings. So we click on mobile size here and choose 24. There you have it. And then next, click, it's 21. For the blue text, it's 21. And for the next, it's 20. So, okay. We go back to the editor, edit the mobile setting. Okay, so it's 21. Click the drop down and just use mobile 21. For this one, it's 20. So we click here and look for 20. There you have it. So that's how. Now, for example, this one, what was used, it's 15. 15px. All right. Here, for the button, let's check. The button font size is 20 and the subtext is 14. 20 and 14. So let's edit. Sorry. Twenty and the mobile size. No, this is 14. It's the subtext and the mobile size is, should be 20. There. So that's how you edit the mobile settings, guys. Then click save. Let's go to desktop. Now we go to the pop-up, the two-step form and the order bump. So we click here, show pop-up. And in the pop-up, there's not going to be section. The first thing that you can add is a row. So it's a one column row and the element is order form. Two-step order. This is a two-step order form. We choose this. So this is the form actually, but the section is just going to be this. So this one has shipping, but we only need these fields: full name, email address, and phone number. So how do we edit this? Well, we go here, settings, and then you have to choose if you want to edit first step 1, step 2 form. We go first to step 1. We can here hide step or show steps. Show step 1 and show shipping. So How do we get rid of the shipping when we need only three fields? Well, we go to advanced, we click on this drop down and then hide shipping. So now we only have this area. Now we have to edit it. No, we go to the orange. Step 1, where to ship book. No, shipping should be changed to, let's refer to my notepad. Where do we send your access? Okay, that's the step 1 headline. And confirm your access is the subheadline. Right, let's check. Okay, where do we send your access? Right. And then for the button text here is this. Wait, let me save. Confirm your access, shipping, and then step 1 button text. We change this to let's check again. So it doesn't have a subtext, but it has this at the bottom. We respect your privacy. There. And then of course we have to check if this is the font. I think they're using Oswald. And then go to step 2, your billing info. Oswald. You can also show your phone number here. I think the font style is professional. So here, then you can also add text here. Paragraph for this text here. So, for example, by clicking this button, yeah, that's the one. So let's say this is Oswald, right? And we have to highlight, as shown here, terms of use and private policies should have a link. Let's say that's the terms of use and policy is in bold. All right. So we can choose the color. Let's, for example, we have the link. Let's just say we have the link already. And we can choose the color, which is this one. That's it. And for example, this is again the link. And that's it. That's the color. So that's how. And there's an arrow inside. Sorry. We can go back to step 1 and button text, advanced. Look for the icon picker. No icon. Arrow right. The button icon is arrow right. Yeah. Okay. So that's step 1. For step 2, we need to edit step 2. Your info. It's also confirm your access. Confirm your access. How does it look? Now it's confirm your access. I can see step 2. Okay, so that's it. We have to change this. Yes, I will take it and lorem ipsum. So I'll go to my notepad and change it. Copy. And step 2, let's change this. And this lorem ipsum should be one time over text. Should be that want exact templates. How about the complete order? This the button. The button text is this. Complete order should be changed to everything. Really? And then we have here button footer. Alright. For the button footer, yeah, it's done. We save. Now we have to put this order bump image inside this dashed box. So how we do it is we add an element, which is an image, and then we upload the image, this one. And then we go here, get CSS info. We change this title to bump this image, and then we update. I want to save that. This one is usually the time that it goes crazy. Let me check again. If it was changed. Okay, so bump image. Let's update. And then I want to put the script. This is the script that was provided. So I want to go to settings and then go to tracking code, footer, click on footer, then paste the tracking code here. And that's it. And then save. Now let me see if it's working. The pop-up. Okay. Now I like to set the action here. Okay. So for example, I preview this. And then click on this. Uh-oh. Pop up. Show pop up. The tracking code is here in the footer. Okay. Set. Open the pop up. All right. Okay, and then it's, for example, okay, so it's working. The bump image is inside the dashed box. Wait. Let's check again. Okay, and the image in the step 1 form is not visible, so we're good. So now we're done with the order page. So basically, it's the same for the other pages, guys. So we're here. It's the same. That we're going to right click again, open in a new tab because I don't want to lose this page. Then we delete all the sections, the teal or green color. Wait, where was I? I think I got lost. Go to page. Yeah, this one. Yeah, it's the same. That's why. Okay, so let's delete everything, all the sections. And it looks like there's a background, a gray background. So we go to settings, choose background, and then delete the background image. And that's it. So this is the order page. And this is it's the same, guys. So I'm just gonna demo how to get this because basically all the others are the same. So for example, I'm gonna add again a one column element. Sorry. So it's a black section, black background for the section. So that's how the bold color should be white. And let's just say it's Oswald. For example, we already checked it. Then we can go to advanced and you see the letters spacing is somewhat like this. And then below it, we need to add an element that is called progress bar. So where's the progress bar? This is the progress bar. And since it looks like this, the text is step 2 of 3. Step 2 of 3. And I know that to be lato. I'm not sure. Okay, let's just check. Yeah, guys, it's lato and 14px. Lato and 14. Right, we can adjust it in the themes. It looks like this animated stripe. Okay, and if you go to advanced, I think it's at 75%. Yeah, alignment, settings. The size could be medium. Yeah, so that's how. And then we have here a blue section. We can add a blue section with 2 columns. I think that's it. Element, headline, and then video. That's it. That's how you go about it. And it's the same drag and drop. This guy is a GIF. So you upload image here and then upload the GIF. Same with these 3 elements here. They are GIF. So we can close this. And then for the upsell, you can also edit, open a new tab, the downsell I mean. So we are now in downsell. It's simple, guys. That's it. We're just going to edit. But I'm sure again you delete everything that's inside and then start from scratch. Background. That's it. Or the headline. Wait, are you sure? Let's say that's Oswald or Open Sans. And it's this big. And the bold color is in white. So that's it. And then you edit. Now for the confirmation, just want to show you. Let's again edit. Open a new tab. So you delete the green. And also the background. Okay, so now we can add 1 column. You know what, guys? I think I'm gonna go. No, let's just continue. So let's, for example, we just want to, I'm just gonna demo um the second part, the second section, which is this. It has text. Sorry, why am I here? This is the order. Okay, so image, for example, this again, this one with blue background. For example, it's this background. All right, and then we have a new section. I think this video is very long already. So we want the order countdown. Confirmation. This one, the order confirmation. So it's this one, guys. This bar. No, this part, product and price. That's the order. This is the product. So that's it. Now, if you want to take a look, this is the first one, right? Let's save this. For example, the metadata for this downsell page is, I put downsell, demo downsell, demo downsell, right? Let's preview. All right. It seems that the path is not yet unique because the system added random numbers. But anyway, when you click on this, the metadata is demo downsell. So that's how you use this SEO metadata. And the favicon, which is this image of Billie Jean, is also showing. Okay, so same here. If you're going to preview it, order confirmation, it shows also random characters and numbers, but the favicon offer, well, it says offer. It says offer. Well, I think this is the template name because the SEO metadata was not changed. So if we change it here. Yeah, offer wall is the title of the template. So if we change it, confirmation or demo, that's how you change the SEO metadata. And you change it. This is the upsell. See, that's it. So guys, if you want to see my web page editor, here they are. This is my web page editor. And I changed this. This is the order page. And I changed this to Billie Jean's Legacy bundle. That's why if you hover your mouse here, you see Billie Jean's Legacy bundle. Now, if you are in the upsell page, I changed this SEO metadata to Genius Advantage Lifetime Offer. And so if you hover your mouse here, Genius Advantage Lifetime Offer. Now, this is the payment plan or downsell. So it says your Genius Advantage 2 payment lifetime offer. Because I changed the metadata. And for this confirmation, order confirmation, it's order confirmation. All right. So that's it, guys. That's how to build a funnel in Clickfunnels. I'm sorry, this video has been very long. I'll see you in the next I'll see you in the next video because I'm not yet done with this sales funnel. Okay, bye.